up the fire.
Hey y'all, so I received this unit from Sam's Beauty called Elisabeth from Laud & Co. in color 613A, and I'm not gonna lie y'all, this wig was bomb, and I was so excited to receive this unit because I've been looking for a good toned blonde unit long, because I've always like found the platinum blondes that didn't have that yellow tone in it. I found them, but they was always short, and I never got a chance to work with a long one, so I was excited to work with this one. The only thing with this wig was the lace was tinted a little dark. It wasn't like, you know, those regular transparent laces that are clear. This one had like kind of a brown tone to it, but it was okay because it kind of matched my skin. So I ended up not really using makeup on the inside of the lace like I usually do. I waited until I actually glued it down to put the makeup on there, just to dab it around a little bit to blend it in some more. But that was the only thing about this unit that kind of threw me off. But I mean, it was fine. It ended up looking cute anyway. So it's just like a little quick install video showing you guys how I did this install. It's real quick. I used bowl hold lace glue. I think I put about like 5 coats on there because I knew that I was going to end up wanting to do a little ponytail at the end, so I needed that hold to be, you know, secure. You know, after plucking this wig, I'm not gonna lie, that's another thing that was a little hard about this unit, was plucking. The knots were kind of big, so it was kind of hard to pluck, and I ended up putting a couple holes in the lace, but you know, I still finessed it, so it ended up looking okay. But that's one thing. Oh yeah, you guys go and purchase my plucking class to see how my plucking technique is. It'll really help you guys out, especially plucking synthetic units, because in the video I am plucking a synthetic unit, so you'll get to see how I do everything, how my technique is and all of that. Shout out to my girl, Lala. Her Instagram is Oolala Cosmetics. I'll put it in the description below, but her makeup is bomb. She does and slays my makeup every time, so shout out to her for that. Also, a shout out to Share Luxe products. I've been using her products for about like 2-3 weeks now. She has lace glue, lace tint mousse. She has melting spray. I love her melting spray. That I'm using that from now on. I'm not using nobody else's melting spray but hers, because her shit is the truth. Period. Y'all see this shit. I love this unit. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. This probably got to be one of my favorite blonde units because it was so toned. It didn't have that yellow or orangey tone that most of the blondes have in it. It was perfect. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. So right here, whenever I use her lace melting spray, I usually like to spray some on my finger and then dab it on the lace, because when it sprays out like all over the place kind of, and I don't really want it to get on my skin because it'll leave that dry mark. So I spray it on my finger to give me a little bit more control of the product. And then you can either blow dry it, or you can just press it down with the back of your comb to just, you know, get it to press into your skin and really melt. And after that, I'll spray it again on my lace. You guys will see later on when I do it, but I'll spray it again on the lace and then use my band to tie it down and melt it like that. I usually use the Fantasia spritz when I spray it on before I put my band on, but the lace melting spray has been working good for me, so I really haven't had to use the Fantasia spritz that much. So y'all see right here, once I take this band off, My lace is melted like that. If you're looking for a good lace melt spray, definitely order from Sherlock's products, because her shit melts. And this is the part where I was talking about I'll dab a little bit of makeup on there to blend it in more. But you see, I really didn't need that much because of how the lace was already tinted a little bit. So I would say for really light-skinned people, I wouldn't get this unit, only because being as though the lace is already tinted is gonna show up dark on you guys. So anybody, I would say anybody lighter than me, this unit probably wouldn't be a good fit for you. But if you're like my complexion and darker, you could definitely get away with using this unit. And this is what it looks like installed. It was really cute, and it's a 13x5 frontal, so y'all know y'all got mad versatility with this unit. You can side part, middle part, ponytail. You can do whatever you want with it. And it wasn't really that full either, which I kind of liked. I don't really like when synthetic wigs are like really thick and full, because it makes it harder to comb through. This had a nice density amount. So like it wasn't that thick, it was just right. And it was easy to comb and brush through. And y'all remember to please pluck your parts, because your hairline can be plucked, but if your part's not plucked, then it's gonna look so weird. I promise y'all. Just pluck your parts. Pluck your hairline, pluck your parts, pluck, please. Also, this wig, it takes well to heat too. I was able to use my hot comb on it and everything, and it didn't sizzle up, it didn't burn or nothing. It was cool. So don't worry about burning your units with the hot comb, because it's definitely heat safe. So once again, thank you to Sam's Beauty for sending me this unit. It was very cute, came out very good. Shout out to my glam squad, lashes, makeup, all that. Y'all know who y'all is. I'll tag everybody in the description too. So thank y'all for watching.